Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. Curfew will be imposed in the state from 7th May to 16th May. In the state cabinet meeting, it has been decided that amid the increased cases of corona, curfew will be imposed in the state from 7th May till 16th May. The meeting was held under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur to break the chain of increased cases in state. Following decisions has been taken. Educational institutions will be closed till May 31st. All the government and private offices will remain closed till the curfew. Essential services will not be affected. The works of industrial area can be continued as per government SOP. Horticulture, agricultural, civil work and project works will not be affected by this curfew. They will continue as it is. All type of transport, whether government or private, will play with 50% occupancy. Interstate transport will also continue. 2 new water power offices will be open in the state to facilitate the people. The examination of class 10th has been cancelled and they will be promoted on the basis of the guidelines provided by the School Education Board. 12th class examination and college examination will be on hold till the next orders. Government has also gave order to upgrade the Una Regional Hospital with 300 more beds capacity and other health services. MLAs will also give 1 month salary in COVID fund. BSNL will now provide free mobile SIM door to door. BSNL now provide free mobile SIM at home in view of increasing influence of corona. BSNL Circle Hamirpur has taken this decision. To get the free SIM, the consumer has to send a message on BSNL helpline number 94180 12345 by typing SMS or WhatsApp on SIM space mobile number space and district name or Himachal will sell 553 million units of power from June to September. Himachal Pradesh will sell 553 million units of electricity from June to September to provide relief to the plain states during the summer and rainy season. Electricity will be sold through the open tender. Separate time has also been fixed for selling electricity. The electricity supply will be allotted on May 12 when the tenders open. In June, 72 million units will be sold for 24 hours and 51.30 million units for 19 hours. One arrested with 1.10 kg opium in Manali. In Manali, the police has seized a kilo and 10 grams of opium from a monk. The police team was on patrol near the bus stand of Manali. The team saw a monk coming and he was having a bag. Seeing the police, the monk got nervous. When the police opened the bag, 1 kilogram and 10 grams of opium was recovered from it. Accused Ravinath hails from Faridabad, Haryana. Superintendent of Police Gaurav Singh said that the accused will be produced in the court. Honorarium of swing teachers and Panchayat watchmen increased by 300 rupees per month. 3,226 Panchayat watchmen of Himachal will now get an honorarium of rupees 5,300 per month. At the same time, the state government will give an honorarium of rupees 7,100 per month to the 1,800 swing teachers of Panchayat. The honorarium of watchmen and tailoring teachers has been increased by 300 rupees. The enhanced honorarium will be applicable from 1st April. State Rural Development Department Secretary Sandeep Bhatnagar has issued 2 notifications in this regard. Anurag Thakur said that Himachal will get material to fight corona. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur is going to provide masks, PPE kits and material of medical equipments to the all district headquarters of the state with immediate personal effort so that there is no shortage of medical equipments to the corona warriors and patients. Anurag Thakur said that in this difficult period, the central and the state governments are taking all measures for relief and rescue with full responsibility. Lower house and upper house by-election are on hold in Himachal due to corona. Election Commission decided. The by-election in Mandi Lower House seat and Fatehpur Assembly seat in Himachal Pradesh was postponed due to the corona epidemic. The Election Commission of India decided to postpone the by-election until the situation did not get well. It may be noted that the by-elections were proposed within 6 months after the death of then Congress MLA Sujan Singh Pathania of Fatehpur and Ram Swaroop Sharma, BJP MP from Mandi. Himachal records 3,671 new corona positive cases, 45 more corona infected people died. The total number of corona infection in the state has increased 1,14,787. Of these, 87,191 people have been cured so far. The active corona cases now number 25,902 and 1,679 infected deaths. Oxygen constructor and cylinder also reached Shimla from abroad. A consignment of help reaching from abroad during the corona epidemic has also reached Shimla, the capital of Himachal. On Wednesday, 2 trucks loaded with oxygen concentrators and oxygen cylinders reached Shimla. Deputy Director Health Services Dr. Ramesh Chand has confirmed this. Deputy Director Dr. Ramesh Chand said that the corona patients in Himachal Pradesh will get the benefit from the help material being received from abroad. 2 days of heavy rain and hail in Himachal. Warning of bad weather till May 11. The weather was clear across the state on Wednesday amidst the yellow alert. Meteorological Center Shimla has issued a fresh warning on Thursday and Friday for thunderstorm, hails and rains, and the central mountainous districts till May 11. The weather is forecasted to be bad all over the state. The weather in district Kullu and Lahore was also poor for the third day. Scam of hundreds of millions in Dodra Kwar Horticulture Department officer suspended. A scam worth of millions has been revealed in Dodra Kwar under Shimla district of Himachal Pradesh related to the amount given to the poor to build houses. Funds were released in the name of building houses to ineligible people. After the complaint, when the case was investigated, the scam was revealed. The officer has been suspended by the SDM after the investigation of the case. Helpline started in Delhi for corona affected Himachalis. Himachal Mandi Jal Kalyan Sabha, an organization of migrant Himachalis based in New Delhi, has started a helpline to provide organized help for the original inhabitants of Himachal suffering from corona. Under this, Himachalis facing crisis of livelihood, food, medicine, etc. will be provided at their doorstep. Blast in chemical mixer. 1 killed, 3 workers injured. A worker was killed after a chemical mixer exploded at Smart Plywood Company in Veet Plasi, Nalagarh. The deceased worker was a resident of Faizganj, Badaun, UP. 3 workers have been badly injured due to the chemical collapse. The injured have been admitted to the Nalagarh hospital. The police have registered a case against the factory operators for negligence. According to the police, the incident took place on Wednesday morning. University Forest Product Department has prepared wild marigold crop. Forest Product Department of Noni University will prepare wild marigold crop. Dr. Meenu Sood, Professor and Head of the Department of Forest Products, and Dr. Yashpal Sharma, in charge of the farm, said that the department has planned to develop about 50 bighas under this project. A short-lived wild marigold crop has already been harvested for seed and will be used for planting in the future. It will be used in the medicines as well. To get the news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a great day from Diary Times.